Musta yung mga kansan, ngayon lalaroin natin ang iyong pinakabagong installment ng Like a Dragon. Kaya salamat sa Sega at sa RGG Studio. Ang game na to ay available na sa PC, Xbox at PlayStation. Kaya ano pang inaabangan nyo? Bagong experience daw to dahil makakasama natin ang mga handsome hunks na si Kiryu at si Ichiban. Tingnan natin anong bago ilalabas nila ngayon. This game is a work of fiction. No persons, groups, incidents of terms appearing in this work are intended to represent any entities in reality. Okay, nagde-drive tayo nga. Yung mga puno sa Hawaii. Bakit walang tao? Kala mo dugo eh, no? Foreshadowing?
There's no shortage of mouths to feed. And tonight marks a big step forward.
Okay, kala ko masama siya eh. Kala mo horror? Ano ba to? Horror ba to? Sino si Bryce? Ba't ako may paki sa kanya? Nani ko rin? Sabi ko na eh. No! Kung ganyan kayo kakilala, ito lang yung klase ng protection meron kayo. Ano to? Pula buhok?
Time for your reward.
Naku, pag-usapin siya din. Sabi ko na eh. Lahat na lang dito, traidoran, leche, amungus. Sabi ko na yan sa may mga langgam. Grabing quality ng ano nila, graphics. Mabayat yan, itim eh.
Hey! Just how long is this gonna
Nakasabi
take?
ko lang eh.
Your resume's in good hands, Sasaki-san. My name is Ichiban Kasuga. Good.
Hello, work code. Okay, yun yung pangalan ng kumpanya.
That's what it says on the paper.
So, may interview na naman.
At Maroi Industries.
Ang ngiti lang siya, ano?
The fact that you have who just recently got out of the
Kailangan nila
trade.
kasi talaga i-double check yan, syempre.
About you finding good work for ex-Yakuza. Those rumors.
Start by rewriting your resume.
Siya yung nagbibigay ng bagong buhay sa mga dating Yakuza.
Qualifications you can list?
You bastard!
Oh, yan na. Ginanit na niya. Natakot siya eh, no? May aura siya eh, no?
Disturbance, everyone. Oh, thanks.
Na-dissipate niya kasi. Huwag sabihing mamimiss niya. Ang dati kong buhay. Babalik tayo sa mundong yan. Nafe-feel ko na eh. Nagpalit na siya. Bukas mukha na siya Yakuza ngayon. Jose Marichan.
You okay after all that?
Tapos na Pasko ah.
You really are the hero of
Give me
Yokohama.
music.
Too much.
O nga naman yung side ng Yakuza, both yung mismong gobyerno at saka yung mismong mga polis. At sinong gagawa no kundi yung mga outside ng gobyerno, yung mga Yakuza. Let's go! Ayan, takbo talaga oh. Yo, yeah, ako nga yung bayani nyo.
Something I can help you with, Sasaki-san?
Ako siya na naman. Inabangan mo ba talaga ako? Tungan ba tayo dito? Tigilan nyo na ako, gusto ko magbagong buhay.
What's your deal?
Parang inostasize sila.
Money, will you?
No, ayoko ng pera. Akin na. Ayan na nga. Okay, here we go. What? Shit. Okay, a turn base. Use the command. Select attack to form. Okay, close.
choice. Let's cool you out a bit, huh?
Ay, ang ganda. Ano siya? Dynamic na turn-based? Galing mo gumagalaw pa sa ano eh. Sa circle ko eh. Okay, pwede ko siya atakin sa ilalim. Go, attack. Ay, ang ganda. Napaka-unique na na. Ibang-iba. Oh, pwede ko parang edge. Mental points. Unti lang meron ako niyan. Skills will activate action prompts. Spacebar. Tenacious Fist. All. Ayan, Tenacious Fist. Ay, spam! Ayun mo. Ganda. Ang ganda ng mechanic na yun, Perfect guard. Okay. Whoa! First try, ano ka? Wait, onigiri pa ako. Okay, skill. Tenacious Fist. Sa mukha. Spammy! Ayun na nga. Ganda. Tama. Ang ganda ng mechanic na yun. Job experience. Ako, sana sa real world din. Ba't ganyan yung mukha ko? Kukunin ko ba? So in the end, gusto ko pa rin ng pera. Nag-init ata yung katawan ko eh. Sa nakaraan ko eh. May condom pa sa ulo niya. Nice.
Yo, take a look!
Were the rumors even true? There are really jobs like that out there?
Dami. Sobrang daming klaseng trabaho.
Gray area thing.
Ay, wa? Ay. Wala pang intro talaga eh, oh. Ano siya masaya, Walang ligo? Okay, sige.
Another day, another chance to make a difference.
Ang laki katawan na mga sinasabi. Doing the best I can. Ito dapat mga nakukuha ko everyday eh. Mas gaganahan ako eh. Doing the best I can. Tara na sa trabaho. Yeah! Para magtrabaho.
Cleaned up quite nice since the last
Panahon din ng Yakuza.
night bender and
Umayo yung legs. Tulungan natin.
You gonna be okay?
Ah,
I don't mind
kindness.
walking you home.
Level up ng kabaitan. Wow. Passion, confidence, charisma, kindness, intellect, and style. So, depende sa selection para magkaroon ka ng personality changes based dun sa mga mabubus mong traits. Okay? Sasaki? Anak niya to?
Welcome. Take a seat.
Ah, wait, siya yun?
Did you happen to bring a resume?
Pugi niya ka. Hindi. Buti nga yun. At least honest tayo.
Why put your criminal history on?
Oo nga pala. Wow.
If I'd hid my
Honor!
record-
Kailangan niyo magaling sa kamay. Imposible. So, puta yan. Ang galing. Fake hand. Baka iti-test niya yung mga security ng mga places. Paano mo okay. Mga nakabukas lang. Pero umuwi kasi
It's
kita
nice,
naman eh.
We're all done on our end.
Ah, damn. Glad I went to the pros for this one. Okay, sunglasses, some
Para saan kaya
cosmetics,
to?
a wallet.
Baka laki pa eh. Masyadong...
Every shop had a ton of blind spots, what with how they were set up. A lookout or a decoy, and then the thief. A little division of labor can go a long way.
That's why you were saying you need a hand.
Not that hand.
The job's much easier for two than it is for one.
I guess listing the job as extra worked out.
Now, once I saw that, all I had to do was play the waiting game. In fact, it could actually make it easier to steal things.
Kasi bababaan mo yung guard mo.
That is where we come in.
Sabi ko na eh.
Can I take that to mean he's hired?
Your days about
Ito
like that.
yung Yakuza bowing eh, no?
What's your goal in all this?
This is actually my way of repaying a debt.
Tatawa ko sa piano music.
It's the job he left behind when he passed on.
Gusto niya pa tulungan lahat ng mga Yakuza. Wala nga masama gumawa ng kabutihan na mawawala sa'yo.
Once he's done at the office, he typically heads out to check in and
Tayo na,
see
sweet
how
naman
they're
ito. Nakakainis eh. Oh. Bruh, ano ba? Mga ano ba to? Okay, 3v1. Let's go! Ito na! Street thugs. Okay. So may diferensya yung lapit ko sa kanila. Okay, pwede ako mag-pick up ng items. E. Bato. Bong, bong, bong. Good night. Puta. Ay, spacebar pala, sorry. Aray ko. Ano mag-block ulit? Oh my god. E. Kaya magdikit-dikit kayo mga kangal. Bong. Ang ganda ng mechanic, man. Kala ko boring eh. Lettuce. Mga pagkain yun, dinadrop nila. Mga tropa. Ito pala ako eh, oh.
Damn, that's So this is just what the doctor ordered.
Medical equipment.
Running like it's on its last legs.
Club
All
Silky
things
Queen.
considered, though, I guess you could say we'll survive.
Ay, survive bar nga.
Good. All right, then what say we have another toast?
Oh.
Cheers!
Kampay! Oy. Ay, kainis. Ako, short-haired CHINITA girlfriend. Yari ka boy, magbutig na. Malakas masyado yan. Habulin mo, habulin mo.
Sachan,
You know?
do you maybe
Ako.
want to hang out sometime? I mean, just us. You know, like together.
Ah! Oh my god. Oh. Oh, kala ko may playthrough. Oh. Hindi! Mga babae talaga. Baka may kinuha lang. Ay, masakit yan. Rejection, boy. Ayos eh.
Hello?
Sorry, I panicked. You know, I'm
Yes! Let's
free
go!
Saturday.
Woo!
We're gonna hang out, right? Just
Let
the two of us?
Kasugas, ay, let him cook! Yung talaga mababae, talaga magpapahabol yan. Daming gusto. Sigaw, sigaw mo yan. Kala mo high schooler lang eh. Nakabahan siya.
Why do you look so down?
It's just I was locked up from the time I turned.
Sabi ko na eh.
Teach me your ways.
A full
Totoo.
impression.
First impression, kailangan maganda.
Just hold your gaze firmly in the direction she'll be coming from.
Kainis. Yeah, mas gusto ko yung stand and pose eh.
Gotta trust Adachi-san. I'll stand and wait for her.
Run! That makes it even better.
Supper pa. Mag-supper ka na kapag nag-start tayo mag-date eh.
You wiping against the struggle is sexy. Oh, she'll be putty in your hand.
Gusto niyang word yan eh. Talagang tinetake in ka nung game slowly, di ba? Ini-immerse ka. Okay, let's go, Adachi-san! Oh God, ano ba? Ano na naman itong mga threatening men? Ulit mo ah. Gago! Talo agad. Tapos para ba meron kang gamit? Ano yun, bisikleta? Hey, let's go! Ano, wala na lahat yan. Yung mismong postura mo, wala lang din. Oh, naka-heels pa.
Am I late?
Wow.
I can tell you went all out for today, Ichiban.
Ah,
Oh,
na-appreciate
you
mo.
mean the guys helped me pick this out. First things first.
No!
Again soon.
What?
Oh, they're full too.
Ah, shit. Bruh!
We've been walking all this time, right? Let's stop by.
What?
I assumed you were feeling the same way.
Iba ata yung nakikita niya eh.
Right now.
Hindi yan, nami-misunderstand ko lang to. Shit, paano ko ito gagawin? Wait lang. Feelings muna, feelings.
Scared? Oh, yeah.
Hindi siya
I know what you
nagkakaintindihan.
mean.
Why
Sabi
just
ko na,
straight
ito
to
na.
a hotel?
What? A hotel? Where did you get that idea? I meant I could use a cigarette.
A cigarette?
There's a
Ayop ka, Hotel Travis. Umay hotdog! Sayang, munti ka na yung hotdog niya eh. Saan ba?
You know, I wonder what Naba looked. What if he's actually super hot or something?
Inuusapan to. No, may... papaaway pa tayo.
no way. It's all up to
Let's
you.
go!
Now. But you're my boyfriend.
Kapit maigi!
Boyfriend. This poor guy doesn't look even remotely your type.
What?
No way.
Paano mo nalaman type ko? Ba't ikaw ba yung babae? Hindi ko mas mabagi sa kanya yung cool. Tama.
If you can't support her, you never had a chance.
Sabi ko na eh.
Right after I teach you two a lesson. Yeah. Let's do it.
Let's go! Ah, kakampi ko ba siya? Kasama ba siya? Oo nga, sasama siya!
Open wide.
Ayun, ay, hindi. Dapat pala. One hit. Okay. Ay, naka-auto na siya. Wow! Ang galing naman ito. Ano, sunog siya? Combo. Natouch. Ako pala magdadouch para sa'yo, sorry. Tuloy lalaki, nahaya ka masuntok mo na kahit once lang. Be adaptable. Ang ganda ng mechanic po, cha.
So listen, I know I used to be a Yakuza and all. Physically speaking, I'd say I'm pretty strong.
Pinibenta niya sarili niya.
I don't really have too much to
Simpleng
offer.
tao, maniwala ka sana sa
But
akin.
when it comes to you,
Oh!
I give everything I have just to make you happy.
Oh, shit! Tim Cook! Nako,
Let me ask you, will you
bakit ito marry me? Tapos suntokin ka ba?
marry me?
Putang ina naman!
Ichiban.
Di ba dapat girlfriend muna? Binigla mo naman, boy.
Up early tomorrow, you know?
Nakasarin ganyan yung walang explanation. Hayop.
Anyway, let's just keep at it.
Oh my God. Aray, blue ball, boy. Ayun, diba? I think may underlying pa yun na di natin alam. Something personal. Sana naman huwag yung mapunta doon sa parang namamatay na ako route.
Hey, Ichiban. What a coincidence.
I wasn't thinking about how you felt at all, and I ended up saying a whole bunch of terrible things. So yeah, I want to apologize.
You came all this way just to say that?
Well then, why did you...
We're like partners in crime, you and me. Just think about how much we've been through.
Bruh.
I guess at some point it started to feel like having you around's a given. I think a little romance might get in the way of everything.
Aray ko, boy. Okay lang, move on. Ako po.
Listen.
Jose Marichan,
Can I
wag.
talk to you for a second?
I'm guessing I'm done after this month. Well, for what it's worth,
Naku, baka
I'm sure to finish strong.
baka ano na to. Immediately na to.
No. We'd actually like it if today could be your last day.
Siguro kasi pag wala hindi siya nag-work, baka bumalik siya sa dati niyang ano eh. Gusto ka sanay, di ba? Talaga na sanay eh. May something talaga eh, may off eh. Hindi yun yung rason, feeling ko. Nasaktan din yung mismong ano, eh, manager eh. Kasi mabait naman talaga, di naman sila parang nagkukunyaring gusto siya eh. Binibigay mo na lahat ng ano, tapos sisirain ng mundo. Yun yung pinaka naiinis ako eh. From hello worker to freelancer, okay. Ay, itong nga.
That's him, right?
Ay, di ba pala to?
Yeah, that's him.
Huh?
The guys who
I'm
broke up
saying.
Naomi and told you I've been off living the good life, right? Back off!
Putang ina naman, bad trip.
Ow!
Tang-ina ng mga kainis!
Did you see that?
What's up, people? Satire channel?
Magre-react ba dito yung ano?
Ladies and gents, our
YouTube, ano? Uber, bad trip. Nice.
This man here is Ichiban Kasuga,
I
a
think
former
that
gangster who was heavily involved in the dissolution of 2 major Yakuza factions 4
Bad
years
trip.
ago.
That ain't right.
Paano niya nalaman yun?
Finally, it
Hilaglag
looks
sila?
like Kasuga then buys the items from his personal thief at a deep discount.
5 million subscribers.
Yeah! Subscribers lang!
You should be proud you made it on our show, Kasuga-san.
You're not gonna get in the way of that.
Oo, yun na. Let's go! Oh, marunong na to. Kaya natin ayusin, okay? Lahat yan! Puta, sige. Ayan. Ayan, nice. Okay. Ah, may counter pala ako. 1, 2. Hindi ako nakaharap doon, gagi. Ito na malakas. Oh! Ito naman sa akin. Nice! Let's go! Ang ganda ng mechanic. Ano? Tapos lalaki pala yun nandyan, no? Naka ano lang.
What the hell?
Reflow sa ano,
What's
economy.
going on?
Supposedly she specializes in
Siyempre matapang yan kasi wala siyang mukha. Tinatago niya.
Call-out videos?
So it's bullying, rebranded for the modern era.
Well, on the other hand, this stuff has actually
Ganda ng
served
story.
as a crime deterrent.
Ganda nung paano nito, writing nito.
His confession.
Pati ka napunta ka na kamalala ng buhay mo kahit anong papasok sa'yo. Di, alam mong dediretso ka lang, hindi ka mawawala ng gano.
I won't be able to help you get
Kumpiyansa. Ah, ito yung nakaraan niya. Labas mo na yan, yung ha? Labas mo na yung baseball bat na yan.
Great. Honestly, say hero's bad, right?
Hey, let's go! Let's go! Nagbabalik. Mapalibok ka pala yun, nakatayo lang. Eh, lumabas na naman. So yung dalawa di na nagayos eh. Power of friendship! From freelancer to hero! Yan ang pinaka-gusto kong job. Yan gusto ko sa mga trabaho dito. Pwede ka mag-iba-iba.
I gotta say that back.
Magano lang kadali.
It takes me back.
Basta balagay mo yung
Who's
puso
right around here,
mo.
you pluck that thing out of the ground, yeah?
Or, what the hell? Nangyari? Ba't nag-iba sila ng anyo? What the?
Whoa! Did these guys just transform?
Guys would change during battle.
Sobrang self-aware ng putik.
Oh yeah.
Mas fun to, I guess. Heroes, Batbreaker, okay. Oh my god, ang lakas gago. Ang gawin ko dito. Ah, okay. Slick tongue. Call out remarks. Yes! Let's go! Yeah, boy! Jumbo sausage! Bamboo. So, ng bamboo jumbo sausage. Mura lang naman. Yes, pa-equip. Oh, ayan, papalakas.
Zero basis for saying that. I respect your optimism.
Gusto ko yung humor dito. Ayan.
Flatter me.
Ano to? Shogi! Play following basic rule, play on a special type of board, special type of board, okay. Challenge match. Oh, may mga mini games, up, down. You go first. Okay, bilhin na natin yung sake na gusto niya.
Arigato.
Bigyan na natin sa boss natin to. Oh, ayun na. Kunyari sa boss ko. Boss?
Hey.
Ito yung chief. Oh my god, okay ka lang? Bigyan mo ng beer. Ayan na. At doon tatapos sa ating laro. Kaya gusto ko ulit magpasalamat sa Sega at RGG Studio para sa napakasayang experience na ito. Ang napakarami din nilang mga minigames. Wow! Kaya huwag nyo kalimutan i-download ang Like a Dragon Infinite Wealth. Nasa pinned comment at nasa caption. Arigato!